So basically this is how my natural hair texture is. It's, you know, quite bushy, frizzy and unmanageable, guys. Just hate it. Hey guys, this is Ganga here, back with another video. So as I said, I have wasted so much of money, guys, in finding a good hair straightening products. I have tried so much. When I say this, believe, okay, because I have a very frizzy hair. I have very frizzy, dry, and so because of that my hair looks bushy, okay. I hope you understand what I say. Whenever I wash my hair, that day my hair will be like, I have tried so much, but you know, finally I found that actual product that works on my hair and it stays quite long also. So without wasting time, let me show you the product. So yeah, so this is the product, guys. This is from Philips, and this is their advanced heated straightening brush, and this is infused with keratin. And what they mentioned is you can straighten your hair in 5 minutes. When I read this, I was like, what, 5 minutes? Are you serious? But seriously, I was able to get this hair what you are seeing right now in 5 minutes, if not also less than 10 minutes, okay. I was able to get this hair. And this product, you know, I got it in Nykaa during their recent Nykaa pink sale, and I got it in a very good offer, okay. I think I got it for rupees 2,799. Actual price is somewhere around 3,600 or 700, I'm not very sure, but in offer I got it for 2,799. And so if you're an office going woman or if you're a college going student, this is going to be really helpful, because you can straighten your hair within 5 minutes. And if you're a person who do not like that pokey straight look, and if you like a, you know, a blow dry look, see this now, this is like a blow dry look, okay. Then you're going to love this, because these days the pokey straight is kind of out of fashion, and moreover if you're having a round face like me, that will not suit that much. And if you have very thin and flat hair also, that pokey straight hair won't suit you that much. So this is the best option. This is like that blow dry look. You know, you will be saving so much of money if you're a person, if you always go to, you know, parlor to get a blow dry for all that good occasions, then you're going to save so much of money, because this is going to do that absolutely. I love this product so much. I'm saying this from bottom of my heart, because I think they had two different versions of this, and the first variant was not that great. It was a flop, I believe. Many people didn't like it, but this product, you know, I will leave that you know, that link and the product code and all, okay, the number and all. Please check that and buy the exact thing. This is BHH880/10. that is the model number, okay. Please check, and I will leave the link also in the description box. Now without further ado, I'm going to show you how I did this. Let me show you the, you know, tool. This is how it looks. It's like a paddle brush. Yeah. This comes with, you know, switch here. Here are the switches. You can set it to 2 different temperatures, and I have already plugged here, so it's quite lengthy. It's not bad, nah? It's quite lengthy. And first let me take you to the highest temperature first and show you. Here the light, now light is blinking, right? Once the blinking stops, then your tool is ready. That happens very quick, so let's wait till this blinking stops, okay. So before that, I'm going to take my heat protectant. Where is it? Okay. So heat protectant is very important. You know, you can use any heat protectant. If not, we can use a protecting, you know, hair serum also. This is from L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Serum. So I'm using this B blend, you know, heat protectant. So let's do this. I'm just going to spray smells good, right? Okay. All right. So I'm not going to do section partition because when you're in a hurry, you will not find for time for all that, right? And moreover, this purpose to buy this is they mentioned you can straight your hair within 5 minutes. So we're going to do that only, and I'm going to roughly run through this my hair. Okay. No time. Can you just see that? I think my fan is disturbing it. Okay. So let's do the same thing. Okay. I'm just going thrice in one place, okay? Roughly. I have very good thick hair as well. Okay, can you see that? Okay, so let me go to the backside hair. I'm just roughly going, okay, like as if I'm combing my hair. One, two. It's really hot. We are done almost. So thank you so much guys. I hope you liked that video, and if you want to know how long this lasts, practically I will tell you. My hair is very frizzy, dry. You saw my natural hair, right? For my hair type only, it will last at least for 2 to 3 days, I think. Yeah, 2 to 3 days. If you have a very nice practically wavy hair, this is going to last till you wash your hair next time. That good it is. I'm so happy. The hair is so soft, guys. Yeah, I'm so happy. I couldn't stop myself from telling that because I found my hair for lifetime. So yeah, thank you so much guys. So I hope you like this review. If you want me to do any other review kind of video, please put that in comment box. I will buy that product with my own money, and I will make that video for you guys so that you don't have to waste your money, or you can know where to invest your money as well. So what? Why are you waiting? Please click the subscribe button, okay? I'm going to catch another interesting video. Before that, if you want to know this makeup look, this is like kind of no makeup look, and if you want to know how I did that, you have to watch this video that is coming back to back, okay? So yeah, see you soon. Bye bye.